What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another episode. In this episode, we'll be focusing on adding text on your videos. So yeah, that's exactly that. That's exactly what we will be doing. We'll be showing you how to add the text on your videos. So what I'll do, I'll just click to that add layer. It's on that plus next to that sequence. That means like we'll be focusing on the new sequence. So for the new sequence, I would love to focus on the intro video, and I would love to take this clip and put it straight to I'll love to take this video, drag it straight to the timeline. Same as still loading. Okay, just I would love to drag it instead of like doing all that kind using like that thing, because it's kind of too long to me. So another thing, guys, you can do, if you didn't know, you can also click here to minimize like your audio to show very less. Then you can also come to this arrow, this white thing, you just go straight there, then you just push it downwards. That means your video will appear big. So excuse me, so how do you add a text? So the first thing you need to do when you add text, you need to go to exactly where you want to be. Let's say we want to add a text from 10 seconds. Now you go straight to that area where you would love to add your text. Then you go to add text, just click there. So we have so many different ways we can add text. Use a typer, so for those people who like to their text to be same like that, it is being typed in. So for me, I love like the simple text, and just go there. So you can notice like my text has a background. I'll be showing you how to remove the background, how to add the background. So for my text, I would like to, let me just say NCH software. Let me just say NCH software. I'll just say that CH software. So let me say NCH software. Then I would love like my text to be yellow. Just click Ctrl A to select everything in this area. After that, you go straight to that white thing, just click there. Then you change the color. You want it to be orange so that it can complement the door. So you just click OK. Then boom, the color of your text has changed to yellow. So what's next that you need to do, I would love my text to be around this area. So I have to come straight to my text, I hold it, then I push it a little bit. So you just hold it, you left click, and you drag it downwards. Then your text will go straight downwards. I hope you do get that one. Let's move it back again. I wanted to, yeah, I love it from that area. So what do we do next? So the next thing, like we have two options. So sometimes we want like when you are writing the background to our picture to have like a certain background. So you can come here, text background, you can click full. So if you click full, it will cover all the entire video, and it will look like this. But if you don't want like your text to have that background, or you want like the background to be only on the text, you go straight to text background. Then the background we have selected, it will be only available on the text. If you want to change the color of that text background, you go from here, you go straight, let's go to white for an example, then you click OK. So the color will change to white. So the last thing, if you want to remove the white thing, you just go here, then you click editor. Then another thing you need to do is just on your background opacity, you go just write 0. This means like the background on your text won't appear at all. That's how you remove it. So if you want like your text to have an outline, you just click there, then it will have like a yellow, a red, yeah, it will have a little bit of a red thing around the name. That is an outline. You want outside the text to have like that red thing. So the higher you make this, the bigger like it will be noticeable. So the smaller it is, the more beautiful it will be on my eyes. So another thing is an alignment. So coming to an alignment is where like your text you want it to be. So the easiest thing to make your text downwards is just to use this, so that your text can be straight downwards. But also dragging, it's very effective, because dragging, that means you'll just drag the text and put it exactly where you want it to be. So if like you don't want, let's say, let me go to add another text. Let me just write sub please. So you want it like your text to go straight downwards, so you just click on that thing, so your text will go downwards. If you want your text to go downwards to the left, you just click that side to go downwards to the left. If you want it to go downwards to the right, you will have to click here to go downwards to the right. This is also it is a very easiest way to get your text to be on a position where you want it to be, especially on a bottom or on top. If you want it to be on top, you just have to click this area. So the advantage of using this the drag, if you want your text, for an example, to be around this area, you just have to just drag it and then put it on that specific area. That's the advantage of using the drag to position method. So there are so many ways you can do this, but those are some of the few ways. You can name, you can add a title on your vlog. Let's say like an artist, the vlog is saying please subscribe, you can write there please sub, please, something like that. So that's how you add text, and on your video the text will appear like this, as you can see. So this is the duration of your text. If you want your text to be long, so this white thing shows the duration of your text. If you want your text to be long, so you have to make this a little bit longer, so like the text will last longer than normal. But if you want your text to be very short, you just have to shorten this to make it very short. Even this side, if you want to make it very short, you can just drag that and make it very short. So this, guys, is how you add your text. This is how you manipulate your text. This is how you make your text to be long, or you want to make your text to be short. So I think that's all for this specific video. I'll see you guys on the next episode. If you love me to explain anything further, please leave a comment. If you love me, if you would love to see more videos in this channel, please do subscribe so that you can get notified when you see the next video. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next video.